It is a lazy, dreary, rainy day down here in the valley. But every bit of rain that we get here is snow up there. And this could very well be our last powder day of the season. So we're going to have a solid send off to snow. If we're lucky, it might be a 3-day affair, as some of the stuff might stay closed tomorrow and then open up the day after. Nonetheless, got to get the boards ready. The stoke is high. Not ready to let go of winter, but this is probably going to be the last powder day. I'm glad I'm here for it.
Let me down easy, for your love for me is gone. Let me down easy, since you feel to stay here alone. I know it's all over, but the